cheekbones. Hey YouTube, welcome back to NaturallyPhilo. So today I am hopping on a trend. Hey, did you see my boobs? Hey YouTube, welcome back to NaturallyPhilo. So today I am hopping on a trend and I am going to be following a NappyFu hair care tutorial. This trend of following tutorials started in the makeup world on YouTube by a YouTuber named Thomas Halbert, and recently Chizzy Duru, natural hair YouTuber Chizzy Duru, started the hair version of that trend. So shout out to Chizzy, I'm here for it. I want to follow it too, and today I am following NappyFu. If y'all don't know NappyFu, what y'all doing? You really don't know NappyFu. NappyFu is like so funny. She's a natural hair YouTuber. She's so warm-hearted and God-fearing. I love her. She's like my natural hair YouTube auntie. Shout out to NappyFu. I am following your bentonite clay tutorial. I've never done a bentonite clay mask on my hair and I am so excited. If you guys are interested, and if you guys are here for the laughs and the entertainment, because today we are mixing NappyFu with NaturallyPhilo, so all you're gonna get is laughs. So sit back, relax, and let's go. Alrighty, so I'm going to be watching her tutorial on my computer. So my computer is going to be right here and you are going to see it on my screen. So let's go. Subscribe to NappyFu and NaturallyPhilo.
What's up, y'all? It's NappyFu all up.
Hi,
I'm back with another video. Been gone for a minute, but I'm back up in it.
Hey.
Anyway, I'm about to show y'all one of my favorite hair masks.
Hey. I don't have that pH scale thing. Oh. Hey, it's on her face. Optimistic, let's go.
So what's in my mix? I like to use the Aztec Healing brand from Whole Foods. That's where I purchased mine from. A wooden spoon, because it does instruct you not to use metal with bentonite clay, and some raw coconut vinegar.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
You see, this is why it's good to watch tutorials. You're not supposed to use a metal spoon with bentonite clay. Yo, shout out to YouTubers out there educating us. Let me go find a wooden spoon. I'm back with my wooden spoon. So let's continue watching this video.
And some raw coconut vinegar. I know you're like, wait, NappyFu, I have not heard of this. You're welcome.
I don't have coconut vinegar, so I'm going to use everyone's favorite apple cider vinegar.
And I'm going to use some oils. Oils are really optional.
Okay, so oils are optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this Jamaican black castor oil growth serum from Natural Club because it includes some good oils. It has Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. And NappyFu had jojoba oil, so it's in here. NappyFu, I'm listening to you. We on the same page.
And this is my mix, y'all. This is the bowl of my ingredients that we're gonna.
We have the same bowl. I'm gonna mix everything like this so it doesn't get on my. But my room is gonna stink though, because the apple cider vinegar don't smell good. My hair will be healthy. That's all that matters, right? Duh.
I like to start with my water and my vinegar ratio. I like to pH balance it. Yeah, this is the nerd inside of me. I want to make sure it's at least at a 4.
Hey, NappyFu. NappyFu. I just want a regular apple cider bentonite clay mix. And now pH balance. I mean, pH is very important, guys. You really want to keep your hair around a pH of 5. Because our scalp is naturally around a pH of 5. And yeah, apple cider vinegar has a really basic pH. So you really, no, or is it really acidic? It's one of those. You just really want to just get it around 5, the pH of your scalp. But this thing, yeah, I didn't pick it up. This pH scale thing. You know what? We will trust God. We will trust God, because God is not here to fail us. So what I do know from a blog post that I read was you want to do 3 parts water. So 1 part apple cider vinegar, 3 parts water. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got my measurement cup. This is 1 cup, and I got my water and the apple cider vinegar. Okay, so we about to mix this stuff up. Me too, I'm smelling it. It's like I want to smell it. So make sure you don't spill this, oh. If you spill this on your floor, you have a problem. This bowl too. This is my Tupperware for my lunch for work. Now 3 parts water, because we don't want any problems. So now that I have the water mix, let's see what NappyFu does next.
So this is me mixing it, y'all. Just pour and mix until you get to the amount that you need.
NappyFu eyeballed it to me. I didn't see her measure it. So me too, I'm going to eyeball it. It's sizzling. It's sizzling. Mix it. Ooh, I hope this don't overflow. NappyFu said to mix it till it looked like yogurt. Cause right now it wasn't looking like yogurt though. It was looking like milk. Okay, so I'm back. I just went ahead and wet my hair, but also wet my shirt. Let's see how NappyFu did it.
Do not apply this to dry hair because you'll have a hard time rinsing it out of our kinky, coily hair. Alright, so I went ahead and started. Y'all know I recorded my room, but I saved my last section to show it to y'all. The way that I apply my bentonite clay, I start from the ends all the way up. Is out of habit because that's how I do my co-wash. That's how I do my deep conditioner.
So bentonite clay is a detoxifier. This is going to strengthen my hair, and it's also good at defining kinky, coily hair. So I'm interested to see how it defines the front of my hair, because as you guys know, the back is more looser curls and then here is more kinkier. So I want to see what it does with that. So this is my hair, no product in it. This is just water, and I'm just ready to use the bentonite clay. NappyFu says start from the end. Ooh, it's kind of thick. It's weighing my hair down. So as you can see, my hair has like elongated after putting it on. I want to make sure I get it into every strand, just like NappyFu did. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Definitely see my hair clumping and curling. As for the feel, it does feel good. It feels like how a deep conditioner will feel. Like it definitely feels like it has a lot of slip, but I ain't trying to comb my hair with this on it because I could definitely feel it hardening.
After your hair is all saturated, just go ahead and pin it away, y'all. I usually just single loop my hair up and then I throw a plastic bag up on that thing.
So NappyFu says to just put it up. I'm probably gonna do a bantu knot. So that's one section done. So let's move on to the rest. It's 3 bantu knots. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera, but I'll be back to put it on the kinkier part of my hair. Okay everyone, so bantu knots on deck. Like I said, I was gonna save the last one to do on camera. So here it is. It's already drying up crap. But here it is. I'm just gonna put some water on it. You can't tell me this ain't a look though. Alright everyone, so I got my bantu knots, my bentonite clay bantu knots in my hair right now. Now let's see what is next. I want to know how long I need to keep this on.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my mother freaking face. Yes, it is a face mask, y'all. I'm telling you, bentonite clay can be taken.
Why am I acting like I didn't know this part was coming?
So I usually leave my hair mask on for however long it takes my face mask to
NappyFu
dry.
put it on her eyebrows. NappyFu.
To dry.
We take risks, school. Okay. This for you, NappyFu.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Ooh, it's a look though. What y'all know about this, yo? What y'all know about wooden spatulas? Cheekbones. In the comment section, tell me if you've ever put this on your face. Actually, tell me if you've ever used a bentonite clay mask on your hair and your face, and let me know how it went for y'all in the comment section. And always, guys, let me just plug my channel real quick. Thank you guys so much for 100K. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, and comment. That really helps me a lot. So I'm just gonna keep this on until my face mask is dry, and then I'm gonna wash it out. Alrighty, guys, I look crazy. Yo, my face looks so fat. But I'm gonna go wash this out and be right back. Okay, everyone, I am back. I just rinsed out all of the clay. While I was rinsing it out, I was like, why does my hair feel so good? And it was so defined, but you guys can see for yourself. And it's funny because I usually wash my hair and twist, but this time I was like, let me just do what regular people do and wash it. But look at that, guys. Look at how defined my hair looks. My hair feels so soft too. Look at that. Bentonite clay. And look at the front too. Now the front is the most kinkiest parts of my hair, but you still see the little coils. That's awesome. And it's nice and elongated. I really like my results. But y'all know, and NappyFu also said that this is not it. I still have to condition my hair, either co-wash or deep condition my hair, because that was a clay mask that I just put on my natural hair, so it basically just sucked up all the moisture. So if I allow this to dry, it's probably gonna be so dry. So I'm just going to condition my hair, deep condition for like 20 minutes and then wash it out. I'm really enjoying these results. Shout out to NappyFu. Yeah, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to do another one, tell me what natural hair YouTuber I should follow next. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've ever tried a bentonite clay mask, let me know in the comment section. And until next time on NaturallyPhilo, keep it naturally. Bye.